Alright, here is a live example of my website. Here I basically used a JSP page, edited with HTML and going into my Tomcat server. So here's a live feed. Right there is the GPS boat tracking system. Here's the latitude, and here's the longitude, and here's the water sensor level. So basically below is live chart flow of the boat's coordinates and water sensor level. Insert longitude and latitude, include comma, copy and paste to Google Maps. So basically you will copy the coordinates here. Then once you copy the coordinates here, you will copy and paste into Google Maps, which is here's a link below. Alright, as it powers on, I should be getting coordinates here soon. And there goes my first coordinate, that dot right there. So I'm in a standstill position. There's my longitude, or my latitude, my longitude right here, and there's my water sensor. I'm gonna pretty much take this whole device and walk up the street and basically see it, grab different coordinates. So there's a live feed of my project. So basically you would scroll up here. I will scroll down. Let's see, I'll find 35.224016, and I'm actually typing this in. You would do the longitude, which is negative 89.852144. And then I would copy, and I would go down here to Google Maps link that leads directly to there. You come into this search and you paste, and you search, and it shows exactly the location of where I'm at, or where I went to.